Doing right now is opening old basketball cards.
1989 Batman cards.
Yes.
Show them the box.
Basketball.
Here's what we want. Look, you want to fold the box up. Fold this up.
And here's what I'm just opening.
Watch this, buddy. Fold it up like this.
This comes with old gum.
See, watch. It's supposed to be folded like this. See?
Yes.
There you go.
Here's,
Oh, hold here.
here's the old gum.
Old gum that's 31 years old. See what happens when you chew it. What does it do? Oh, all right. Spit it out. That's nasty, right? Nasty.
In the box. Like, we have two Jokers.
Let's see.
Joker going to jail.
It says the clown and the clapboard, right?
Yes. This is a Joker sticker. And since the gum being on there, it makes that white spot there. It's so old.
Yeah. All you need is a little damp cloth. You can get that right off. Right, buddy?
Batman.
Yeah, show the camera. Ooh. Oh, nice.
Ooh, here's
Top Series 2 picture cards. There you go. That's a good card.
This is a good card, too.
Oh, that's cool. Batman Classic first issue. Look at that.
No, Batman. Batman.
Another Batman, the Phantom Avenger. Flugelheim Aftermath. The Joker by Tim Burton. Right, buddy?
Yes. And guys, stop. Stop for a second.
Clearing the Trigger. All right, go ahead.
Alright, guys, this is what the old packs look like. There's two different ones.
Okay. Oh, yeah. So the one just has Batman.
And the one has Joker and Batman.
Hey, do you know he's holding like a grappling hook? Do you know what? You know what Batman never does? He doesn't shoot guns.
No.
He doesn't use guns. Yeah. Now the other guys do, but he's the good guy.
Batmobile. 44 card sticker. Die.
Nice.
And then we have a steering gun, one of those. Right now, Daddy will look for these.
All right.
Now hold the camera.
You will?
Yep.
All right.
Yep.
We have the Otis couple. Okay. Grissom's office. Lear of the Crown Clown Prince.
Honey, you're getting... Here, hold it up a little bit. There we go.
Madness Wears a Smile. Look at the Joker in that one. Ooh, Brains and Beauty equals Vicky. Wow, what a picture. Computerized SFX.
Daddy,
And the last one is the Batmobile again. All right.
your turn to hold it. Now let's open one of the Batman cards. See if we can get the Batmobile again. Got the Batman logo. Or gum. 83 card Batmobile.
Ooh, check it out. The Batman logo. Pretty sweet, huh?
The Batman. Maybe the Batman, the Joker. I don't know.
This is from Burton to Batman. Yes, that is Tim Burton with Batman on set. Jack and Alicia. Look at that. That was before she had her face fixed.
Do you see that line? There's two separate cards.
Oh, are they? That's not a misprint, is it? No, the Batmobile escapes.
Right now, what I'm going to do, Daddy will look for those and I'll make a big pile of them. Alright, guys? And Dad, look for those.
And one more card here. Meltingly beautiful. Look at her, buddy. You know who that is?
Yes.
Who? Vicky Vale from the movie. Okay?
Alright, now we start making bigger pies so we can go faster. And then it won't take us that long.
Hey, we're going to sign off for now. That was your first video. Say thanks, everyone.
Thanks, everyone. Let's do one more video after this. Later. Pause.